A function is undefined when its denominator is equal to 0. In this case, the denominator is x2, so the function is undefined when x2 equals 0. Solving for x, we get x equals 2. Adding the two equations together eliminates the y terms and gives us 2x equals 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 3. To solve for x, we can multiply both sides of the equation by x1, which gives 2x plus 3 equals 5, x1. Distributing the 5 on the right side gives 2x plus 3 equals 5x, 5. Subtracting 2x and adding 5 to both sides of the equation gives 8 equals 3x. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x equals 8/3, or x equals 2, 2/3. The only choice that matches this value is choice B. The area of a sector of a circle is given by central angle / 360 degrees, asterisk, pi asterisk radius superscript 2. Plugging in the values we get 72 / 360, asterisk, pi asterisk 5 superscript 2 equals 1/5, asterisk 25 pi equals 5 pi. Therefore, the area of the sector is 5 pi square centimeters. To solve for x, we can use elimination. Multiplying the second equation by 3 gives us 3x, 3y equals 3. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 5, we find that x equals 3. A quadratic equation has exactly one solution when its discriminant is equal to 0. The discriminant of the quadratic equation x superscript 2 plus bx plus c equals 0 is b superscript 2 for ac. Therefore, the value of b superscript 2 for ac must be 0. The circumference of a circle is given by the formula c equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Since the diameter is 10, the radius is 5. Therefore, the circumference is c equals 2 pi, 5, equals 10 pi. The circumference of a circle is given by the formula c equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius. We are given that c equals 12 pi, so we can solve for the radius. 12 pi equals 2 pi r. R equals 6. The area of a circle is given by the formula A equals pi r superscript 2. Substituting 6 for r gives us A equals pi 6 superscript 2 equals 36 pi. If 60% prefer brand A, then 60 people prefer brand A. 0.60 times 100 is equal to 60. If 30% prefer brand B, then 30 people prefer brand B. 0.30 times 100 is equal to 30. Since 60 plus 30 is equal to 90, then 100 to 90 equals 10 people prefer brand C. We can solve this system of equations using elimination. Multiplying the second equation by 3, we get 3x 3y equals 9. Adding this equation to the first equation, we get 5x equals 21, so x equals 21 fifths. Substituting this value back into the second equation, we get 21 fifths, y equals 3. Solving for y, we get y equals 6 fifths. Therefore, x plus y equals 21 fifths plus 6 fifths equals 27 fifths equals 5.4, which is closest to 6. The y-intercept of the graph of a function is the point where the graph crosses the y-axis. This occurs when x equals 0. Substituting 0 for x in the equation f, x equals x superscript 2 for x plus 3 gives us f 0 equals 0 superscript 2 for 0 plus 3, or f 0 equals 3. Therefore, the y-coordinate of the y-intercept of the graph of f, x is 3. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse is square root 5 superscript 2 plus 12 superscript 2 equals square root 169 equals 13.